Welcome to this quick tutorial on the switch function in DAX. If you've used multiple if statements before in Excel, you'll love how switch function in Power BI, which makes your formulas cleaner and easier to manage. Do you know how we implement conditional calculations with DAX in Power BI? Now, here in this video, we'll learn how to use the switch function step by step to classify scores in Power BI. First, load your data into Power BI File, Get Data, select your Excel file, and load the table. Next, create a new calculated column. Go to Table Tools and click New Column. Now write a DAX formula based on the criteria you need. We'll classify credit points into excellent, good, average, and poor. Apply the calculation. The new performance status column appears, and each row shows the classification based on credit points. Try it on your own dataset and tweak the thresholds to match your rules. See you in the next lesson.
Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more interesting upcoming videos. See you next time.